Welcome guys, welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to show you 5 OP hidden Android settings or features. So without any further ado, let's get started.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
The first hidden Android setting is live captions. Obviously, you all must know about captions or subtitles, but did you know there is an option where you can enable these captions in your phone? Go to settings and then into accessibility, and then keep scrolling down and you will find an option called captions. Enable it and you will see a lot of options to customize your caption. Customize your caption, like your caption color, caption font style, font size, and a lot more options like this which you can play with. The next hidden Android feature is sensor shutdown. Now if you want to turn off all your sensors like your mic, camera, gyroscope, etc, all these sensors, if you just want to turn it off, then go into settings and then into developer options and keep scrolling down and you will find quick settings developer tiles. Tap on that and you will see various options. In that at the bottom you will find sensors off. Tap that and all your sensors will be turned off. So if you want to completely shut down your sensors, don't forget to try this out. But also remember that
ये मुंह से सुपारी निकाल के बात कर रहे बाबा।
But also don't forget to
ओ भाई मारो मुझे मारो नहीं ये मजाक हो रहा है। एक सेकंड यार, मजाक हो रहा है।
But also don't forget to turn on those sensors, because without those sensors operating, your phone won't function properly. And I don't know what's happening today. I'm not able to speak properly.
नहीं सारुण के यहाँ कुछ तो गड़बड़ है.
The next Android setting is turn off animations. Now on your phone you would have noticed that when you open an app or tap on something, there is a small animation. Now if you want to completely turn off that animation, then go into developer options and keep scrolling down and you will find these 3 options: window animation scale, transition animation scale, and animator duration scale. Now go into each of these options and tap on animation off. The 4th hidden Android setting is running services. Now most of the times you don't know which app is running in the background or which app is using more RAM. So if you want to see which app is using more RAM or which app is running in the background, go into developer options and you will find running services. Tap that and you will see a list of which app is using most resources.
Bruh.
Now if you didn't know, whenever we play any game, all the operations done to make that game run smoothly is done by the CPU. So now it is the CPU which makes our games run smoothly, but we can change that.
Nice.
Instead of telling our CPU to run our game smoothly, we can tell the GPU of our smartphone to run our game smoothly. So GPU is basically graphics processing unit, and this thing is responsible for all the graphical work you do in your smartphone. So now we are telling the GPU to render our games and make it run smoothly. Now how to activate this setting is go into developer options and keep scrolling down and you will find force GPU rendering. Enable that and all the games you play will be run by the GPU. Now there is a small disadvantage of this feature, and that is your phone battery might drain a lot quicker when this setting is enabled, and also your phone might heat a little bit. But if that's okay for you, don't forget to try it out. And now, time for the bonus tip. If you're still watching this video, congratulations. Now the bonus tip is, if your phone runs on Android 11, then you can actually see at what refresh rate your phone is running on. And to enable this setting, go into developer options and keep scrolling down and you will find an option called show refresh rate. Enable that and on the top left corner of your display, you will see at what refresh rate your phone is running on. So that is it for today guys. Now if this was the first time you got to know about these features, hit that like button. But if you already knew about these features, again hit that like button, because it doesn't cost you anything. So don't forget to hit that like button. Also don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the bell icon. But until then, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.